This
Okay,
is
whatever.
my account.
Oh, let's go here.
Bro, how is this your account? Wars 802 is your
Fine,
account.
here.
This is not your account. I have two different
Well, let me
accounts
actually.
on
This
my
is
account.
my account.
Obviously.
I
Bro,
don't
I'm
have
offended
another.
you keep saying that because no. You have literally two accounts.
I don't have another account.
It's
Wars
okay,
802
Yuri.
about that account.
The only other account that I have is Leah Nathan.
Bro,
Okay. Oh my god, look at the slider I just
bro,
got.
you have Wars 82 and you have this. This is two
Yuri, it's
accounts.
okay. It's okay. Yeah.
So shut up. Okay, well, at least.
What is this? Is this Aaron?
Bubba
Yeager?
actually believes me.
What? You can't break this? Wait, do you like the new weapons there are? Oh my god, there's 4,000
Not
health.
the Thunder Spears, Thunder Spears.
Guff can't break it already. There was a weapon here, bro.
So what are you doing?
I'm just trying to break this thing. This thing suddenly appeared.
So what are you doing? Hello?
What?
Where's Rory afraid?
He's AFK.
Yeah, I'm trying to do my settings.
Oh, okay.
Nothing happens, really, bro. Like, you give a rock 4,000 health, and it makes nothing happen. And I just found a I thought it was a blue.
Bro, why is everything in gibberish?
Oh my god. You know the new Aaron Yeager stuff?
Yeah, but we all know him that we can use the car.
We're gonna find them and we're gonna win this game, okay?
Oh, yo, I just got someone with a kinetic war. I just knocked down someone with a kinetic war.
Guys, I found it. I found the Aaron Yeager thing. Nah, I'm taking it. It's fine.
I need something.
You need something? Here you go.
I just violated an entire trio.
Bro, look at Guff with the Aaron Yeager stuff. Yeah. Yuri, I'll give you something else from the Aaron Yeager. Because you have Guff and Rory does. Don't shoot those. Those things explode once you shoot at people.
Rory has Guff. I don't know why he's not on his main account though.
Keep saying I don't go.
No, you know some stuff happens to main accounts, like it logs out. Like something that happens to him. I honestly.
No, I don't even care what he's doing. He's saying that he only has one account. But that doesn't make sense.
Oh, I got him! Bruh. I'm just gonna lock this door. Bruh. Okay.
Bro, why are you
Kids
not
are
on
shooting
it?
at us.
Rory, what happened to your main account?
I don't know. I logged out. I said I'm gonna go and see something. Like
Why'd you log out?
I didn't.
Then why are you on this account?
This is the only account that I have.
Bruh.
Bro, you have Wars
guy just
802
died.
and
Well,
this
noob.
account. What
Noob.
you're saying doesn't make sense.
It's
Answer me, why are you
okay.
not on your main account?
No, maybe. You know sometimes accounts log out. Right?
No, bro, he didn't even log out.
Wait, what happened actually? I don't know.
I don't know, he's not answering. He just keeps saying this is my only account. This is literally the only
This is
thing
the only
he did.
account that I have, Juri.
Well,
We
I
have
don't know
Wars
what you're
82.
talking about.
But Yuri,
Okay,
why
I'm
do you
gonna
care
show
about
you all the
his
things.
account?
You have this account. I have Josh for my friends. I have Apple. All these. I have my brother. And then your Wars 802 account.
Oh,
That's
What
the
does it say
account.
next to the account? What does it say next to the account?
I got the mythics. Rory, do you want
Bro,
one?
what
Rory, I
was
can give you a
the-
mythic. Do you want one?
Yeah, I'm
come to
unfriending
me,
you, Alex Cat.
Come to me. No.
Okay.
Bro.
Can you tell me exactly what
Who's
happened to your main
Polar
account?
Patrol? Bro, that
Rory.
guy's dominating. Here you go.
Rory, bro, tell me
He's
what
changing his
exactly
settings.
what.
Everything's in Arabic right now.
Bro, Rory, tell me exactly what happened to your main account.
Alright, so this is all I know. Remember when I said I'm just gonna get off?
Yeah? Yeah?
So I got off, right?
Yeah, and what?
as soon as I got on, it said we hit like I tried to log in to my Xbox account.
You guys got a heavy sniper. No, take mine.
Okay,
Hey, bro.
so second
Really, bro?
head.
Really?
It said we hit a roadblock and then maybe log into an account again, but I don't know my other.
Okay,
You
now
serious?
why are you saying this is your only account? This is not your only account.
Here, do you want me to switch to my other account, the Leah Navin account?
No, your Roars 802 account.
I don't
Can
have
you
a
switch?
Royal account.
No, not
It won't let me.
Oh, okay. Do you have actual
Wait,
skins
guys,
on
we gotta
your,
get to
on your
circles.
sister's account?
Yeah. I have
Okay, after
Guff
this
and
match, switch to
Archidadra
it.
line.
Wait, let's go southwest, because there's fighting happening there.
I'm already fighting them.
Bro, there's this weird thing
Oh, there's a
in
boss?
my settings.
Come on, daddy, let's go, baby. Come on, daddy, let's go.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna delete this account,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna get on to.
Wait, Drew, follow me.
And then I'm gonna get another
Well, hold on,
account.
let me heal and take some.
Alright,
you can go.
see you guys. And then if you get a friend request from some random dude, that's me.
Okay.
Okay.
How much tick is it? Okay, it's one. No, I can't see now, bro. Gimme all your money, Bubba. I'm gonna have like a mythic loadout. Yeah, gimme! I said gimme! The mythic!
Hold on, come on.
Oh, there's another shotgun. Drew, you can take that, because Rory is not playing.
You're gonna bring it to me. I can't get that. I don't even know where you
Wait,
are.
how did you get your mic? Is this your first time having a mic?
No, this is your first time. No, I had a mic last time when you were playing with Mad Jellyfish.
You can have this if you want.
Bro, where is the vault? I literally can't see the vault.
Just come to me, you don't feel like it.
How do I even come to you? I'm coming. I'm gonna try.
Oh, bruh, you're a burden.
Okay, there we go. I'm right there.
Yeah, come to me,
I'm
come
coming.
to me. Come to me.
Okay, I'm gonna run out of heals.
Come to me, and there's a mythic shotgun over here, you can have it.
Okay. So, there's slurp right there. Actually, no, not that. Okay, let's go already. Don't think that's cold.
I swear, if we die, I'm gonna be like, oh my god! Wait, go. Hell no! Wait, let's see
What
where
is it?
he's at. Back in the store. Oh crap, I'm going to live that wrong way.
Okay. But you took us even further away from the hell anymore. The storm's really far behind.
Guff is literally doing the ODM gear.
The storm doesn't damage me because I just drank slurp. Okay, never mind. But please, I don't want to waste my last slurp juice on.
You can have the kinetic blade to get out if you want. Basically.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Bye bye.
Because I already have the, you know, the jet.
Yeah, Thunder Spear
What's
suck.
that? Oh! Bro, these things are in the ground. You can have this.
Yo, okay, I'm taking those back of the kinetic blade. No, I'm gonna take the kinetic blade so I
And
can
you
go
can have these,
faster.
because I'm full. I'm full of bananas. Oh my god, my loadout is
I need
fully
heals.
missing.
I need heals. Okay.
Yeah, you can take the heals to heal up. I don't need them. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, slow.
Where is dead? It's the
Do you have
we
AR
gotta face
ammo?
the trio, okay? So we gotta be careful.
AR ammo, please. AR ammo, bro. Give me AR ammo, please. Do you have AR ammo?
AR ammo? Oh yeah,
Yeah.
fine. I'll split it. Wait.
Okay.
Oh no, I forgot it.
Okay, let's go.
Come on. Really? Alright, that's enough music, man, because I don't want to use my phone. Why am I gritty? Why am I gritty? Where's the guitar? Oh, there's a... Where's the guitar? Give me the guitar. Wait, do you want? Wait, do you want the mythic AR?
Yeah.
Yeah, go.
What, do you have one?
You can have one. Cause I took the exotic AR. Cause that one's better if you ask me. I don't know. That was my suggestion. Cause it was there in the chest, so I just... Wait, do you actually have it?
Silly. For what?
You already have it?
Yeah, what?
You have the mythic, the AR mythic.
Yeah, I have a mythic habit. Okay, get in the bag.
Oh, give me that back. Give me that back. Oh, no.
No, I'm driving.
Look at my ODM here, bro. Wait, let's go to the island. Nah, that one's too
Yeah, let's go to the floating island.
I want to try to headshot a kid while we're riding.
Yeah.
I want to headshot Daddy. Full boost. No! You did this to the bike. Yes.
I want a wet suit.
Oh, you got the gritty now?
You just crashed. Yeah,
I don't care. I'm excellent driver.
Bro, you know we're supposed to go to that. We're supposed to go to the floating island.
No,
right there. Yeah, we're going to the floating island. Yeah, I'm going to the floating island.
I'll get you some. Oh. Wait, come follow me, bro. Follow me. Just follow me.
Bro, please.
Do you want a chest or not? Do you want?
Bro, let's go to the floating
Which
island,
one do you want?
please.
Oh, you don't.
Bro, I don't want nothing. Let's go to the floating island.
Okay, fine. Oh, bro.
There's gonna be like mythic today, so I'm wasting my OD gear. Okay, well, I got there.
Wait, don't go there without me because it's actually sweaty. Or you can go if you want. If you're
Okay, I'm going.
Because I'm not.
If I die, it's your fault because you're too slow.
Hey, that hurt my feelings. I'm coming, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. Where are you, Daddy? I am there.
Bro, I did not
Oh
spend
crap, that one is like 0 HP.
Dory did not spend this year. I think he's not going to get off the next one.
He's gonna friend.
I think Bro's lying. I think he's just doing that so we can gift him a skin, bro.
Yeah, and that gun is so OP. It's like so OP. I'm gonna exchange it for the floppers. I'm gonna eat it all. You want a flopper? Yeah, you should have.
Yeah,
a flopper.
flopper.
Yeah, I need to waste my floppers so I can get that.
Make a flopper, bro. Oh, how many floppers are there?
Only 2. But that's enough for your
now.
whole house.
I'll keep my slug. I'll keep my slug.
Wait, how about we use the mythic for bait? The OD mythic for bait.
So, yeah, yes, the pulse rifle.
Don't take my gun, Daddy. Don't take it.
So take the slurp juice. They're the best heal ever.
Okay, you can have this mythic if you want.
Yeah, take the slurp juice, bro. Take some slurp juice.
I did. I also have 2.
Oh, I'm gonna carry slurp juice instead of my sniper.
I will miss you over. I should have not bought that.
Okay, let me try to snipe it. Okay, right. Okay.
Why don't we? Oh,
Let's try to snipe.
like aimbot, buddy.
I want to snipe.
I can't believe you're in the 40th place. Oh, I see some kids.
I'll go that side. You go that side.
No, let's stick together.
Oh my god, I almost slid off the map.
You see some kids?
No,
Okay. I don't too.
bro. I don't see anyone.
I'm like, wait, come here. And start gritty.
Creep, walking with that heater.
You don't want to gritty with me? What the hell?
Right foot creep, walking with that heater.
Give me that.
Give me my.
Give me a loot. Give me a loot.
Bro, I
How
don't see
about we
any-
break the loot? I wish I had a sniper. Oh my god, yeah.
Yo, I'm gonna throw something. Give me a weapon. I'm gonna throw it as a trap. Even though I don't think anyone's gonna fuck
Yeah, I
with
know,
that.
right? Like, there's bushes nearby, so we can just use it.
Yeah, that.
Yeah, you hide in
Yeah.
one bush, I hide in another bush.
No, I'm gonna throw the exotic as a trap.
Okay. Wait.
Right there. Oh my god, I hear.
Okay, there's
I hear
people
gliders.
gliding. There's people gliding. Green. Let's get down.
I need my heals. I need my heals. I need my heals back. Oh, there's people fighting.
Bro, they're coming. Let's get down.
Do I get out? Okay. So where did my exotic that I threw go as a trap go?
Wait, remember we played Jenga?
Oh my god.
I'm so happy I had an airless. I would have died. I mean, I would have not because I had
Yeah, this is my trap. Oh my god, I think I just saw someone.
Hide in the bush. Hide in the bush.
I don't want to hide in the bush.
Where
Stupid bush.
are you?
Why are there so many rifts? But okay, take the rift. There's a rift.
I take the rift. Wait for me! Wait. Oh no, the rift is gonna dissolve. Oh,
So,
there.
where are
got the rift, I
everyone?
got the
Okay,
rift.
I'm gonna get back in there for high ground now.
Where are you?
Right there.
There you go. See a lot of furries. Wait, let's hide above the house. That's the best spot, actually.
Okay.
I should have told you that. Because I used to hide up on the house. Wait, you have a launch pad? And we can use that for escape, the launch pad. Like the place I'm
Yeah, the launch pad.
If anyone's too sweaty, we'll just hit the launch pad and get out. Oh. Yeah, like when storm comes near, then we hit it. Because
Yeah.
what if
Where is that? Well, I don't see. Okay, right there. But why did you mark this? I thought you actually marked someone.
you marked someone?
I don't see anybody.
Wait, there's a boss over there. I'm here. I don't see anybody. And there's 11 people. We gotta get the dub. And there is a trio because Rory was playing.
Yeah, the storm's coming.
Oh, there's another one. Wait.
Just stick the launch pad already.
Yeah, hit wait.
But go to the circle.
Wait, let's go here. How about that? Okay. Oh yeah, there's.
Bro, that's not the circle. That's not in the circle.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
How about
Right
this side?
there,
This side.
right there.
Let's just hide
We
in
have high
there.
ground.
Let's just hide
Yeah,
inside there
Yeah.
and not peek out. Coming.
Oh my god, someone just shot me
Crap.
with an overlocked pulse, but he didn't hit.
Okay, he's gonna come
Ouch.
to us like.
Oh my god,
Oh,
he
yeah, he's coming. He's coming.
Oh, right there, out the window.
Where did he go?
Oh my god, that's the teammates.
He was it. Where is he?
That's
Did he
not
go?
his teammate. Oh, that's okay. Yeah, that's his teammate.
Oh, this is like the best gun ever. I can't.
Yeah,
believe
I know
it.
for real.
Oh! It's us versus another team. That's it. We're gonna win this. We're
Oh,
gonna
that's
win
it.
this. Come on, we gotta be
Yeah,
sweaty.
easy one. Did you dodge?
And
just
also
like
we have advantage because we're above the hill.
Yeah. Wow,
they're
we
not.
have high
Okay.
ground. Let's hide in there. Let's hide.
How about we
Let's
hide in
hide.
those buildings? Oh, we're in the zone. Wow. Let's not be in the zone for the moment, but then we will. Where are you, bro?
No, stay in the zone. Stay in the zone.
They might see us because
Stay behind the rock.
obviously they want to come to the zone too. They have to come to the zone.
Exactly, but it's one kid, so it's gonna be easy.
What is that? Oh, that's
That. Yeah, I don't know either.
You gotta be careful.
He has to be in Mega
I'm
City.
gonna take
He
cover
has to.
behind you because then, if
Bro,
someone gets sniped, it will be
Don't
you.
take cover behind me. No, Daddy, don't
Hey,
take
hey,
cover behind the
hey,
rock.
hey. Okay,
Take cover behind the rock.
Hey, yo, wait, look at my head. It's literally in the rock.
What? Can I see? Oh my god. Oh my
Hell. Oh my god, your head's in the rock, bro.
bro, what the?
Okay, we gotta be sneaky, okay? I'll tell you if I hear
Yeah, the storm's coming. He's gonna come.
someone's coming. They're gonna go for the loot.
Imagine it's a hacker or something.
No.
Oh yeah, we're still in the zone. We can still be in the zone right behind the rock right there.
Yeah,
Still
we're
here.
literally in the zone. We're
Imagine
hiding.
he dies in the
Let's just
storm
stay
and it's
together. Wait, what kind of rap is that? Is
imagine he
that the
dies in
Mr.
the
Beast
storm.
rap? Look at my rap.
Is that the Mr. Beast rap?
No, that's not. That's like a
My
rap.
no, my rap is the fish stick rap.
Wait, that's a fish stick one? Oh.
Yeah. Pretty sure. Yeah, it is. You see him? Do you see him?
No. Don't peek out because they might have sniper ready.
No, we're high ground though. That's hard for him.
Hey, come to me, come to me, come. Follow me.
Okay. Oh god. Stay here, stay in the storm. Actually, no, stay. Okay, yeah, let's go to that
No, let's
rock.
be in this rock.
Let's be in this rock. Even though it's really small.
I see them.
Where?
Right somewhere over there. Yeah, right there. Yeah, right there. Crap, I shot. I should have marked. See
Where?
the build?
Oh my god.
That was good.
That was a headshot. That was a headshot.
Hope you liked the video, guys.